Do you need Senior 20 to insurance if your license is suspended? Imagine losing your driving privileges and wondering what steps to take next. If your license is suspended due to certain violations, you might need a Senior 22 insurance filing to get back on the road. And Senior 22 is not a type of insurance but a certificate your insurance company files with the state's motor vehicle department. It proves you carry the minimum liability insurance required by law. This filing is usually needed after serious driving violations like driving under the influence, multiple traffic tickets, driving without insurance, or failing to pay child support. When your license gets suspended, the state often requires you to have a Senior 22 on file to reinstate your driving rights. It shows that during the suspension period and for some time afterward, you are maintaining the proper insurance coverage. Usually, this period lasts about 3 years, but it can be longer depending on your state's rules. If your insurance lapses or gets canceled during this time, your insurer must notify the state. This can lead to further suspension or even a revocation of your license. So, keeping your Senior 22 active is very important if you want to avoid more legal trouble. Getting Senior 22 insurance can be tricky because not all insurance companies offer this service. Premiums tend to be higher because of the increased risk associated with drivers who need a Senior 22. The cost can be significantly more than regular auto insurance, sometimes doubling or tripling your usual rates. If you do not own a vehicle, you can still meet the Senior 22 requirement by purchasing a non-owner Senior 22 policy. This type of policy covers you when driving any vehicle you do not own, which can be helpful if you need to reinstate your license but do not have a car. Understanding Senior 22 insurance is especially helpful for Black communities learning about property and casualty insurance. It highlights the importance of responsible driving and the financial responsibilities involved in regaining driving privileges. Knowing how to navigate Senior 22 requirements can make the process smoother and help you avoid losing your license for longer than necessary. In summary, if your license is suspended, you will likely need a Senior 22 filing to get it reinstated. It certifies that you have the required liability insurance. The filing usually lasts about 3 years, and your insurance must stay active during this time. If you do not own a vehicle, a non-owner Senior 22 policy can work. Keep in mind, Senior 22 insurance can be more expensive and harder to find, but understanding these facts helps you stay on the right track and regain your driving rights faster.